St David's Hall was originally scheduled to open last summer. Now the staff are talking about this autumn, although they won't be pinned down to a definite date. But the dream of a concert hall to put Cardiff on the map is now coming near to reality. And today a group of city councillors had a chance to look round the site. Although the main auditorium still doesn't bear much resemblance to the proposed hall of international standard, which is now estimated to cost £10 million.
The far end of the auditorium, at the upper level, the follow spot box in the middle.
The recent bad weather has meant more delays in finishing the construction, but the hall's now committed to be open by October because it's to be the venue for the SDP conference. But hasn't the opening date been put back and back?
It's a unique building. Any one-off building is going to have development problems. It's not actually, I think, being put back and back and back in quite the way you suggest. Most buildings of this sort take a little longer than originally anticipated, and there's always been a period from when the main building program is finished until the actual opening. In that period, we have to do the acoustic tests. The organ has to be built in a dust-free and silent auditorium, and you can hear at the moment it isn't silent and it isn't dust-free yet. And until that's done, the organ building program can't start. And then it's rather like commissioning a ship.
You're now talking about opening in the early autumn. How much forward planning is there to do?
From the opening, over the first 6 months, we're going to try and have a range of everything that we expect the building to have in that period of time, whether it's classical or popular music, whether it's indoor sport, some conferences, choral singing, the whole range of work.
Can you give us some idea of specific examples?
I don't really want to do it at this point in time. For classical music, you've got a lead time in booking of 3-4 years sometimes. Conferences, 6, 7, 8 years. More popular music, I'm beginning to book now, and clearly the top of the charts. It would be hazardous to say who will be there in the autumn of this year.
How do you think you'll be able to sell the concert hall to the people in Cardiff?
Well, I think we've started that process. Every householder in the Cardiff area itself has already had a direct delivery of a leaflet from us asking them to write to us. It's not only for Cardiff, it's going to work for the whole of Wales. And the model of this building, as conceived by the architects, is now touring through the entire country between now and June.